Greetings everyone. I welcome you all in module 1 of the lesson skeleton system. In this lesson we will learn about the functions of skeleton, different parts of skeleton and explain their importance and different types of joints in our body. There is a framework of bones in our body called skeletal system or the skeleton. The skeleton gives shape and support to our body. It consists of strong, hard and stiff bones. An adult human has 206 bones. Bones come in many shapes and sizes. Long bones are found in arms and legs. Short bones are found in wrists and ankles. Flat bones are thin, flat and curved. They form the ribs, breastbone and skull. Round bones are small and round in shape. These are found in the hands, knees and feet. Functions of the skeleton. The skeleton gives shape and support to the body. It helps us to stand upright. It protects the delicate internal organs of the body. With the help of muscles, our skeleton system enables movement of our body parts. Parts of the skeleton. Our skeleton consists of the skull, the spine or the backbone, the rib cage and two pairs of limbs. The skull. It is made up of 22 bones. 8 flat bones are interlocked together to form the head. 14 bones form the frame of the face. The lower jaw is fixed to the upper jaw. We can move only the lower jaw of the skull. The skull encloses and protects the delicate brain. The skull has holes for eyes and nose. The spine or backbone. The skull is attached to the spine or backbone. It is made up of 33 small bones called vertebrae. The 33 bones of vertebrae form the vertebral column. A spinal cord passes through this column. The spinal cord is a bundle of nerves. The vertebrae protect the delicate spinal cord. The rib cage. The rib cage is a cage-like structure formed by 12 pairs of thin curved bones. These curved bones are called ribs. They are attached to the backbone and to the breastbone in the front. The last two pairs of ribs are not attached to the breastbone. They are called floating ribs. The rib cage protects the heart and the lungs. Limbs, arms and legs. 4 limbs are our arms. Each arm consists of 2 pairs, the upper arm and the lower arm. They are joined together at the elbow. The upper arm has one long bone called humerus. The lower arm has 2 bones. The upper arm is joined to the spine by shoulder girdle. It is made of 2 bones called the shoulder blade and the collarbone. Hind limbs are our legs. Each leg consists of parts, the upper leg and the lower leg. They are joined together at the knee. The upper leg is the thigh. It has the longest bone in our body called femur. The lower leg has 2 bones. The lower part of the spine is joined to the femur by hip girdle. Each of our feet has many small bones. There are 2 types of joints, movable and immovable. My dear students, we will learn more about it in module 2. Thank you.